listen, man, we're getting geared up for the Beyond the Blueprints 2-day workshop. You see people, they're coming in, man. We have a packed room today. Listen, man, I keep trying to reiterate to you guys, if you have not attended the Beyond the Blueprints 2-day workshop, you have no idea what you're missing. We have a star-studded lineup today, full of education, full of gems, resources are coming out, man. These people are excited to be here. I'm excited to have them here, and we're looking forward to getting it kicked off. So the Beyond the Blueprints 2-day workshop, hosted by me, R. Dyson Colley, the Gentleman Builder. Let's go.
What's different in this 2-day is we actually had tiered pricing to really broaden the room to bring more of you guys out. We had a $500 ticket for 1 day. We had a $1,000 ticket to be able to do the 1 day and the tour. And then we had a $1,500 ticket where you guys get to come with us for dinner, a business mixer, and a one-on-one time during lunch. Next time, get the high value ticket.
We've gotten bigger. So you're getting more education, you're getting more resources, you're getting more gems. We have a bigger facility, more people, more networking opportunities. Listen, man, I cannot express to you enough how important it is for you to be here to understand how to go from dirt to done and become a millionaire home builder. The Beyond the Blueprints 2-day workshop. Let's go.
I think it's a very informative event. I've been knowing Royce for over 4 years. I sold him one of his first deals, so I'm just glad to see what he's got going on and giving back to the community. You're gonna walk away with a bunch of knowledge. You're gonna walk away learning how to build a house from A to Z. And they provide all the resources. They give you realtors to work with, they give you wholesalers to work with, they give you title companies, lawyers. It'd be stupid not to sign up.
All right, so listen, it's day 2 of the Beyond the Blueprints 2-day workshop. Yesterday was a phenomenal time, a lot of excitement in the building, a lot of gems being dropped in the building. Man, we had over 75 people that came out to hear what it takes for them to become millionaire home builders and get in the build game. Me and my bro Anthony killed it. If you were not here, then you should have been here because you missed a great event.
As far as today, this is our very first tour that every single house is going to be a student-led build house. Some of them are making $300,000, some are making $60,000, and everything in between. Make sure y'all come out next time and learn how to build from the ground up.
So listen, man, today we have no more room on the bus. We have people that actually have to drive their own cars because all the seats on the bus are full. So that ought to tell you the type of event that you missed this time. Don't miss it again. I look forward to seeing you at the Beyond the Blueprints 2-day workshop the next time. But until then, follow us and let's go check out what the students are doing.
All right, guys, we just left the very first house on the tour today. This is one of our graduating students who just graduated, and this is her first project. This house has an ARV, which means we can sell it up to $890,000, giving her an approximate net profit of $254,000 on her very first deal. You guys come on out, man.
All right, so listen, you guys, we are actually headed to stop number 2 on the site tour today. This is a 2-phase duplex project, which one of our current students is currently building right now. And they're going to make on the first duplex, once it's complete, about $360-something thousand, right? So we're headed there. People are excited. This is just another instance of what can be done, the possibilities that you can have in real estate and new construction by building for yourself. She actually came to us as a client and wanted us to build it. And we were like, hey, why don't you build this thing yourself? So she came through the program, learned about residential new construction, and took that leap of faith and jumped out there and started building her own project.
This 2-day is breathtaking. I don't even know what to say. We're standing on the 3rd level of something one of the students did. I cannot believe my eyes. The 2-day is just hands-on. I'm in the flesh of exactly what has happened to somebody before me. So I'm excited about what's coming up for myself.
I would absolutely recommend. One of the people that I have here now, I got to come, and she is absolutely loving it because it's an opportunity that we often do not think about because we're scared to get into it. But it's a fantastic program. They teach you everything you know, not just the curriculum, but it's a hands-on experience. So you learn everything you need to know to build from ground up.
Yes, come to the 2-day to get a feel of what it is that they are trying to ascertain with everyone and what they do and what they've done. You have to experience it. I could tell you, yeah, come on, but you have to experience. Come on, experience it. If you like it, you're gonna love it. If it's not for you, it's not for you, but you have to experience it. Experience it.
Tours showed students actually doing what we're studying to do. It gave me more of a mentorship. So that whole idea of a mentorship, those training wheels to get you going, to build up your momentum, to build up your confidence, 100.
Anthony and Royce are very professional. They have a lot of integrity. They are very straightforward. Anytime I've had any questions, they're quick to answer. And if they don't know the answer, they'll go back and find out the information and then come back and follow up with me without an issue. So I give them a 10-star, straight up, all the way.
Tap in. If anything, get started. If you're curious, come to the 2-day event. That's what I did. I was curious, came to the pop-up, and now I'm all in, all in.
This was absolutely, unequivocally, the best 2-day we have ever had.
Hands down. So listen, we're giving you guys the opportunity to come learn how to go from dirt to done and get in the build game by building residential new construction as builder investors. Man, we're giving away so many gems, so many jewels, so much information at this 2-day workshop. If you have not attended a 2-day workshop before, listen, I am encouraging you to sign up for the next 2-day workshop. Listen, there's going to be a point to where you won't be able to get a seat even if you register 2 months in advance. That's how big it's getting. We are meeting the demand for people who want to learn how to get in the build game. So listen, don't hesitate next time. The 2-day Beyond the Blueprints workshop is coming up. Listen, don't hesitate to sign up. We look forward to seeing you at the next one. This is R. Dyson Colley, the Gentleman Builder, and my guy, Anthony Davis. We'll see you next time.